Yo, it's been a minute, huh? Well, new year, new me. Probably not new. Probably same old me and same, new year. Anyway, here we are. We are at Trexler Nature Preserve. And a couple goals this year, switching it up a little bit, changing it to make something easier, I guess, for me, and to make serious. I want to do a clearing every trail at Trexler Nature Preserve, which is the beginning of this video. Main trail I want to is, I believe, called Return of Brian, which is right down there. It's a jump trail, and as we know, I am terrible at jumping. So I figured if I can get a little jump trail down, I can progress into a bigger jump trail. And they have a bigger one here, so hopefully by the end of the season I can clear everything here. Who knows? Also, Blue Mountain is opening this weekend, so that's gonna be fun. I also want to do the same thing at Blue Mountain, clearing everything at Blue Mountain Bike Park. So that's gonna be nice. And yeah, it's basically the goal for this year. So I'll probably be spending quite a bit of time both here and Blue Mountain. I also do want to go to Mountain Creek, go back, visit that again, and actually get the full experience and hopefully do a little bit better than I did last time. Also, I want to go to Bryce Bike Resort, I guess. It's in Virginia, it's about 4 hours for me, so that'll be fun. Maybe a couple other bike parks on the East Coast. So that is the goal for this year, is to clear Trexler, clear everything at Blue Mountain, which I don't think Blue Mountain is going to happen this year, but that is the goal. With my trusty steed, the GT, still got the same bike. Everything's exactly the same, except for this year I got casings in the tires. So yeah, that's really about it. So I'm gonna do maybe a couple laps, and hopefully I can progress and clear this trail. Probably not today, probably won't happen. Probably hopefully in maybe 2-3 videos, maybe, who knows. Anyway, I don't know how well this footage is going to come out because I'm not using my full face helmet. I'm using my half shell, so we'll see how this looks. It might not even be good. We'll find out. All right, drop it in, lap 1. I don't know how well you can hear with this wind, but we'll see. So this first jump is probably the biggest and scariest on this trail. So we are working up to this. So we got quite a bit to go on that one. We got some rollers here. And we got to pedal up some of these. And honestly, if I can get that first jump, probably can get all of them here. That is probably by far the biggest one. So that's essentially what looks like a double almost. I can get my front tire over. That's about it. Not quite. Yeah, that one kind of scares me because so that is lap 1 for today. I also forgot my gloves, so that's unfortunate. So that is lap 1. So things I gotta work on. The first jump, obviously. I gotta stop being a bitch and just jump it. And I think honestly, I just work on the first jump first. One step at a time. First, gotta clear that first jump, and then progress ground. Alright, lap number 2. We're gonna try not being a pussy this time and actually hit the fucking jump with some speed, hopefully. Here I wanted to be in. Alright. Okay, not bad. That felt a lot better. I think I got my front tire almost over the landing. So, getting better with that. So I just need to put a couple cranks in there, go faster around the corner, faster around the berm. Either one should help me a lot. Lap 2 done. Honestly, felt a lot better on the first jump. You know, felt a lot better on the first jump. Making progress, making progress. Honestly, kind of about the same. A little bit better. So we're roughly about the same now. Alright, was I think lap 5. Okay, that looked pretty good. Okay, that felt pretty good. I don't know if I might have cleared it. I don't know yet. I might have. It felt almost like it cleared it. Nah, it's still the back. That's a hard chase on the back. God damn. Yeah, that second looks like quite a bit of work. Honestly, that jump, I just don't have enough speed. I'm too afraid of the roller / doubles there. That actually didn't feel bad. I think I might have cleared the first jump. I don't know. Kind of hard to tell. It felt like I cleared it, but I'm not too sure. But like I said, it felt pretty good. So I think we just got to dial that jump in a little bit more and progress on the next one. So definitely still coming up a bit short. I had a little push there on that one. Last lap of the day. Gonna hit it a little bit hard. Gonna hit this first jump pretty hard. See, see what it's looking like. Let's get it. Okay, a little break. Oh, that was pretty good. Man, that jump's pretty nice. The only issue with it, really my speed, but I feel pretty comfortable in that jump now. I don't think I cleared it, but it's definitely getting a lot better. Still barely got the front over. Alright, that's the last one for me. Like I said, kind of got the first jump, pretty decent. I think, I don't think I cleared it quite yet, but next time here, first jump, should be able to clear in 1 or 2 tries. Then we progress from there. Deer. I don't know if you can see it, but it's like right there. Yeah, you probably can't see that on the video. There's a deer there. Right there. There's the deer.